Alright, so yeah, numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, the 4 maintenance speeds, 60, 80, 100, 120. And anytime you need to work them up slower, definitely do so. So, for example, let's say 80 is a challenge on one of these. You know, then maybe just go to 90 next before jumping to 100. And then after 100, maybe go up by 5s, you know, 105, 110, 115, 120. So use your judgment. Decide if you need to go up slower or not. Number 5, that's going to be just getting it as fast as you can. Definitely make sure you play it as clean as you can. So we're just going to really make sure you get used to using all 3 fingers here. And it's going to help with chord changes too. For next week, for the next lesson, if you can record yourself demonstrating this stuff and send that over, that would be awesome. If you can't do that, I'll be asking you to do it at the beginning of the class. So as far as the demos, like what you're going to do, for numbers 1 through 4, I'll ask you to play at 60 and 120. For number 5, since it's a speed drill, I still ask you to play it at 60 and then somewhere close to where you maxed out. Can't ask you to do what you got the max speed at because, well, it takes time to work up to that. So probably like 20 beats a minute slower than the max speed might be it. So here we go. I'm going to demonstrate all this stuff at 60 and 120, and I'll do a few more speeds for number 5. So here we go. Number 1 at 60. Counting along with what you're playing, tapping the foot on every downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and done. So I always, or typically I'll just strum the last chord and let the resolve chord here and say done. You don't need to let that ring out all 4 beats. But I've made it a whole note because I do need to fill up the bar completely. Alright, here's 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and done. Okay, on to number 2. Beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 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 4. 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 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 4. Done. Number 3. "60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3. 4 and 1. 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 and 3, 4, and done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 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 done. All right. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Done. Right, number 5. Speed building. So let's see. Again, I'll demonstrate this at a few different speeds. Just every time you work on this one, we start at 60 and then 65, 70, 75, and so on. Every time you play it 100% correct. If there's any time that you don't hear something ringing out correctly, any kind of mistakes whatsoever, you don't want to increase the speed yet. You got to get it 100% right before you increase the speed. One thing you can do is ask yourself after you've finished a take, ask yourself, was that good enough to be on a recording? If you don't think it was, or you know for sure it wasn't, then it's definitely not good enough before moving on and pushing the speed. And yeah, start at 60 every day you do it. Every time you do speed work, you always want to start at 60 and go up by 5s for all that stuff. So here we go. 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just pick this however feels comfortable. Alright, I'm going to double the speed now. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 160 next. And these speeds are just to demonstrate it at different speeds. It's not, so there's no need to get to any of these speeds. But just in case you do, and you like to see and hear a reference, that's what the video is about for right now. Alright, 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got a little squirrely at the end. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Alright, go ahead and stop there. So there we go. The first recap for the first lesson. This is definitely just a start. So yeah, if you have any questions that come up, anything at all, please let me know. And I will see you again next week.